everybody, welcome to my YouTube. I'm Jen. Today I got some Happy Mail. I received a prize pack for a contest I entered on Facebook page, Crafting with Anna Hersom. Wonderful lady, has CraftBox UK, CraftBox USA, Creative Craft Academy. Definitely I love her kits. Lene, admin on the page, runs a monthly contest, and I happened to win the contest for September by making this. And as my prize for this creation, well, I'll see what I got. But a whole box of goodies that I just received today. There were some requirements. It had to have wood, or bark. It had to have bark, I believe is what it's called. Had to have the cabochons. And it had to have leaves. So this is what I created from those requirements. I actually put it on a piece of wood as well, which has the wood grain, which could be bark, but I did get all of these from my wonderful, beautiful oak tree in the backyard. I was a little worried that since oak trees don't typically shed their bark, that I wouldn't be able to find it, and I found all of these pieces. So I was super excited. And yeah, I was even more excited when I won. So let's see what's inside. So it's a wonderful box. I haven't looked yet. I just opened it so it would be easier. I love how they hide it. So it's a secret. So let's see what's inside. Oh my gosh, this box is full. Look at all of that. First up, they did put in a cute little letter. Let's see what's in here. Congratulations on your winning this month's challenge in Open Craft Room. Best wishes, Lynn Nye, admin. Anything which is non-CraftBox related are from me. So she put in some stuff directly from her as well, which is awesome. So let's see. Got some beautiful CraftBox, Creative Craft Academy flowers. As you can tell, I definitely love using these flowers in my creations. So this is perfect to receive. Oh, look. So we've got a lot of little embellishments. Oh, these feathers are beautiful. These are from Lene. Those. How cool are those? I love that. I even love the cute little bag. Oh. Micro beads. I love micro beads. These are pink. I actually learned in one of my Creative Craft Academy kits how to make that into a paste. Use it for texture paste, which is super cool. These are gorgeous. So these are from CraftBox as well. Oh my goodness. I don't even know if I can show how cool these look on video. Let's try. Let me get it. Oops. See those? How cool is that? I love those. I get super cool stuff like that, and then I'm always afraid to use it. So I'm trying to get out of that habit and start using stuff more. So super cool. Next up, really cool. That's awesome. Oh, and then a wood coaster. Very cool. I've got some washi tape stickers. These are very pretty. I love getting the black and white stickers like this, and then they're kind of like the washi tape filling, and then adding just a touch of color on top is really cool. More clusters. Some beautiful floral memory bloom stamps. Some boxes. How cool is that? Oh wow, a whole paper pack. Floral memories. I don't have this one yet. That is so cool. Oh, they've got words in there. I will definitely use these. Those are gorgeous. Very pretty resin piece with flowers. Oh, another little black resin flower with that one. Oh, and what is this? That is so cool. So it is a globe. It is like a traveler necklace. You see that? How cool is that? And the globe actually spins. I love it. You guys went way... Oh, and there's more of these. They're all over the box. I love it. You went way above and beyond on this prize pack. Thank you so much. I will share a photo and this video in the group shortly. Thank you, thank you, thank you, Lene and Anna, for this wonderful box and for the contest. I love having the prompts that you give us and the challenge. That was definitely a challenge, and I'm glad I accepted it. Thanks for watching.